¿Qué lo que, y'all? Estamos activo, bienvenido. We're now una comunidad of more than 13,800 suscriptores. So big shout out to all y'all that have already subscribed. And if you haven't yet, we waiting on you. There's a lot of hidden confusion with Me Too in Spanish because a lot of people think they're saying it right and usually they ain't. But I'm going to help you fix it in this super short, super easy lección. So let's do it. Me too is yo también. So if you said soy de Texas, I could say yo también. Now here's the first thing that confuses a lot of learners. I frequently see a lot of learners use yo también to say I also disagree with that. But in English, we wouldn't use me too for that. We'd say me neither. The same is true in Spanish. So yo también is me too. Yo tampoco is me neither. So if somebody said, hoy no quiero ir a trabajar, I could say, yo tampoco. Okay, so that's pretty simple. Yo también is me too. Yo tampoco is me neither. But here is the biggest point of confusion. If you're saying I like something too, or I don't like something either, this is where Spanish is a little different. Remember in one of our previous lecciones that we learned me gusta is not really I like it. It's it pleases me. So if somebody says me gusta esta canción, what they're really kind of saying is the song is pleasing to me. So what you really want to say back is it is pleasing to me too. To me too, which is a mí también. Por ejemplo, if somebody says me gustan los gatos, cats please me, or cats are pleasing to me, then I would say a mí también. To me too. Cats are pleasing to me too. To say I don't like it either is the same, but you'll use tampoco. A mí tampoco. So if somebody says, no me gusta el frío, I don't like the cold, or the cold is not pleasing to me, I could say, a mí tampoco. To me neither. And that's it. Practice these out loud so that you remember them. Gracias por estar aquí. Hasta la próxima.